much just got to finish masking up this vehicle for paint, and then once it's finished masking, I'm going to be cleaning it with water first, just to get off any dust, dirt, and then after that we're going to a solvent cleaner, and then third cleaner that we use is a final wipe, which preps it for sealer and your base coats and all that stuff, and then we'll be starting to get this thing into paint. It will leave residue on the parts you're painting, which will show up in your paint itself. You'll see striping from the rag itself. Will be too tacky. It'll leave lines, and you'll see it 100% in the paint job. So having the right tack rag is a huge deal.